Hi, welcome to the Solving Systems of Equations match game. I'm going to show you how to solve systems of equations in a way that's competitive, fun, and hands-on. This game is all about finding the term in a system of equations that has a coefficient of 1 to simplify the process. All components of the Solving Systems of Equations match game are on GlennaTabor.com and they are free. That's right. I am not going to send you to Teachers Pay Teachers to pay for a download. I want you to use it with your students, so it's free. This game is an algebra winner. Not only will you learn how to find the terms with a coefficient of 1 so you can solve systems of equations by substitution, but this game will help you master it. Or let's see, would you rather memorize these steps for solving systems of equations by substitution? I'm dizzy just looking at it, and I'm teaching it. Imagine an algebra student looking at these steps. Ugh. Okay, let's just stop the why behind this game and move on to the fun. You'll need a complete set of cards. One color is the system of equations, and the other color is the equation that has a term with a coefficient of 1 with the isolated variable. This equation will make it so much easier to solve the systems of equations. Each player or pair will also need a recording sheet and paper and pencil in case they need to facilitate their thinking through writing. I like to play math games in pairs so that I always have someone there for support and ideas. Arrange the cards in an array so all players can easily see the cards. Have a pair of students each turn over one color of the cards. The yellow cards have the system of equation, and the green cards have the equation where there's the x with the coefficient of 1, and there's the x, and and it's negative y on this side, so now I could substitute this in. Oh, that's great, but what if I hadn't matched? What if I turned over this one and it wasn't a match? We would leave these cards up because after all, the goal of this game is to master the math concept while having fun. The next pair will turn over one of each color. Now, they've had to look at all of them to see where the match was. The play continues until all the cards are matched. Then each player receives a recording sheet. After writing the system of equations in the top box, then they record the steps needed to isolate the variable with the coefficient of 1 in the large box. Wait a minute, they didn't finish. No, right now they're walking. They're learning to run with systems of equations. I'm not concerned about them solving those systems of equations by substitution yet. The steps for that will be in the next game, and it will be done concretely. Next game? That's right. You need to like this video and subscribe to this channel. In fact, if you ring that bell, you'll be notified first. So ring the bell. Seriously, ring the bell. The next game features solving systems of equations using Legos. And remember, check out this video for more about making expressions using Lego bricks. Thanks for watching.